In this guide, we are going over the Blackbox Zip here in Subnautica 2. This is going to be the full guide. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, starting off at the life pod, what you need to go ahead and do is make your way about 400 meters southeast-ish, kind of towards these giant little like pillars that are sticking out of the water. This is a heat zone, so keep that in mind. You may need to have the heat adaptation. So continue heading along this path. Once again, about 400 meters away from the life pod itself. That's a good way to track it. If you literally just drive backwards, you can go ahead and reach it. Plus, then you don't have to see what you're driving into, which makes it less terrifying. Or maybe more. I don't know. But after about 460 meters and about this distance from those little pillars right here, keep in mind that's going to be northwest, you just simply need to start diving down. What you're looking for in this area is going to be a little cave system. If you just go like straight down, you'll see it. It's kind of built into one of these mountains over here. Just about right here, and I'll pause the game so you can see my coordinates right there. But essentially go to make your way into this cave system. Try not to hit the wall. I just hit the wall right there. Now, once you're in this area, and I mean, you can take the tadpole down there. I don't recommend it. I think it's easier to just go in person. But head down, and you essentially just need to keep heading down. The cave itself is a little confusing, so keep that in mind. There is going to be, some oxygen stuff in here as well, so you don't really have to worry too much about it. You just need to keep going downwards. Continue heading down, and once again, there is a heat warning for this, so just keep that in mind. Once you are here, though, you need to just continue looking for a way to go down, and keep in mind, once again, there's oxygen plants everywhere, so make sure that you are using those. If you go around this little side area right here, and once again, there's multiple holes, you can actually go in here and then continue going down. And you need to go down way past this branch, and you're looking for this giant root right here. And on this giant root, you're gonna have the Blackbox Zip. It's right here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.